This weather report brought to you by Seafood Market at Caloundra, Bullcock Street.
Well, good evening, folks. Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Just garden variety weather for the rest of this week on the sunny coast in the wake of ex-Tiffany's recent land crossing. For the next several days, expect warm, humid conditions, though not too hot. Occasional broken cloud and showers becoming less and less likely as we move towards the weekend. Temperatures remain in the average ballpark across the Sunshine Coast region, though some places are still experiencing unusually warm nights. Tops today were mainly in the high 20s. Pardon me. Let's have a look at the satellite loop now. First, what's left of the cyclone has now moved into the Gulf. Pardon me once again. And probably re-intensifying very, very quickly as it heads in a westerly direction. But its effect on southeast Queensland is pretty minimal right now. Right now, there's a few little light showers around, but most of them are a little bit further north. There's also some severe storms around western Queensland, which won't affect us either. Now, onto today's chart, you can see it's a very compact cyclone. It's no longer a cyclone. I've just drawn as one to remind you what it was. It's now just a low-pressure system, but quickly re-intensifying simply because it's over warm water, which is the lifeblood of a tropical cyclone. Along the east coast, we've just got that standard ridge of high pressure, and of course, we're getting the east-southeasterly winds relatively mild. Now, on tomorrow's chart, the high in the Tasman Sea remains put. There's another one coming in through the Bight, and of course, we've got Cyclone Cody out near Fiji, throwing off a 2-metre swell to the beach. On the outlook chart, now showers become less likely as the ridge of high pressure starts to break down. Still fairly mild and breezy, but humid along the coast. So now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Sunshine Coast waters. Southeasterlies reaching 25 knots tomorrow with 2-metre seas on a 2-metre easterly swell. Winds easing on Thursday and shifting east-northeasterly come Friday. Surf's risen to 1.5 metres on the open beaches due to a long period swell from Cyclone Cody, as I said, in the central Pacific. Safer swimming on north-facing beaches. Tomorrow we have low tide between mid-morning and lunchtime, depending on your fishing spot, and 2 high tides on either side. Just a neap tide, so no massive swings. Now, the southeast coast district, partly cloudy with just a 30% chance of showers. Maroochydore and Nambour, 27 degrees, nice and mild. Gympie heading for 28. And looking ahead for Maroochydore, steady temperatures until Friday, near average with partly cloudy skies, but diminishing rainfall. On the weekend, we may see a renewed warming trend. Well, that's it for tonight, folks. Pleasure to have your company as always, and thank you for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with more on the latest. Hope you can join me then. Now it's back to you, Joe.
Thanks for that, Liv. Well, that's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company. Just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app and also catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us here, enjoy your evening. Good night.
Tonight, how a father and daughter survived 2 nights clinging to a tree in raging flood.